Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with our T900 Ultra 2 smartwatch. And as you requested, we tried to check on the one of the sports function of the wearable. We tried to test its speedometer with its sports monitoring, and that is the running function. So we try this one and see whether it has an accurate step count, and compared it with our Galaxy Fit 3 and our Huawei Band 9. Okay, so what's the result? Is it okay? Do we have a closer result? We'll see on this video. So if you want some additional information, just drop a comment below. If you have a special request, just drop a comment below. Please like, share, and subscribe to get more information on the latest affordable smartwatch in the market. And one of its main feature is the sports monitoring. So we tested the sports monitoring, and we have here the running. So it monitors for the time, beats per minute, calories, distance, and steps. But unfortunately, although it can record data, it doesn't have a separate information or data that you can store in the wearable for the different sports function. Okay, instead, it is added here, combined to the other data that has been recorded here in the health tricyclic. So we have here our previous data. So we have here the steps, the training, okay, standing, and we have some graphs that I don't understand, and we have here the total distance and calories. So it is recorded, but it is added to the previous data here in the smartwatch. Unlike our Huawei Band 9, if you tap on the workout records, we have here our workout records. We have these separate activities here. We have at least 2 running exercises, and as you can see here, we have 2 data. For example here, our outdoor run, so it can monitor the distance, duration, calories, speed, steps, as well as your heart rate. The same with our Galaxy Fit 3. So we'll go to health. We have workout this week, and we have here the data for our first session and second session. Here on the running, we have 5 minutes pace, heart rate zone, and of course you can show it on the phone if you want to check on the overall data. Although the T900 Ultra 2 has a separate app, has its own app, the iWatch Pro, it did not show, unfortunately, it did not show our record on the app. But anyway, I'm pretty sure you are excited to see whether the step counter of this wearable is similar to our Huawei Band 9 and the Galaxy Fit 3. Is it accurate or not? We'll show you our graph, the data for the T900 Ultra 2 running, as well as the Galaxy Fit 3 and the Huawei Band 9. Let me show it to you. Our first try of more than 5 minutes of running, and the second one also more than 5 minutes of running. Before we proceed to the table, let me show it to you the graph for each wearable. So we have here the support app, the iWatch Pro, we have the Samsung Health, and the Huawei Health. So here in the iWatch Pro, we only successfully recorded the first or the second activity. As you can see here, we have the distance, consumption, and the target. So tap on it and it will show you the graph. So this is only these are the data that you can only get, nothing else. We have the heart rate also, beats per minute, and that's it. Nothing else. No additional details, as you can see. Okay, if we have successfully recorded the first one, it will also show here, but there are some errors, so we did not have a successful record for the first data, but we already added it in our table. Then for the Samsung Health, so we have it here, the steps. Okay, successful recording of our data. You can also use this one, this smartwatch. For example, we have the health, workout, record. Tap on this one and show on phone. And we have here the workout details. We have the beats per minute. Tap on this one and we have the full data of your activities, including the pace, steps, heart rate, and cadence, as you can see. Very good data here. Okay. Then next, for our Huawei Health 9, we also have here some workout records. Tap on this one, the outdoor run. So we have the distance, calories, and you can also show it on the phone if you like. Let's see if we do have here. Close. Where's our support app? Huawei Health. Outdoor run. Let's see. So we have here some details. This is our first run and this is the second one. Tap on the second one and we have the details here. We have the distance, duration, calories, cadence, steps, and the average heart rate. We also have here the chart for our heart rate as well as other data. Okay, so that's the data for the support app. And for the table, so we can compare the data side by side. Here is the table for our T900 Ultra 2 compared with the Huawei Band 9 and the Galaxy Fit 3. Here is the results for our first try with the running sports function, and as you can see here, 654 steps for the T900 Ultra 2, while for the Galaxy Fit 3 we have 708, Huawei Band 9 713. Our count is 716. Very far, almost more than 50 steps is missing from the Ultra 2. The bits per minute is also very far. We have the same results for the Fit 3 and the Band 9. For the distance, it's okay, I think. For the calories, very far when it comes to the result. For our second try, we do have here the 531 for the Ultra 2, while for the Fit 3 we have 697, 709 for the Band 9. Again, very close result to our official count, which is 700. The same again for the bits per minute, 123 for Fit 3 and Band 9, while 75 only for the Ultra 2. The distance is almost the same, or the same with the Galaxy Fit 3, while for the calories, it's also off. Again, this is the results with the running sports function for our T900 Ultra 2. As you can see here, I think the pedometer is not that accurate based on our test. How about yours? Drop us a comment.